In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a vendor in Zoho Books step by step. If you manage purchases, suppliers, or expenses in Zoho Books, adding vendors correctly is extremely important because it allows you to track payments, create purchase orders, and manage bills efficiently. The good news is that Zoho Books makes this process very simple once you know where everything is located. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can quickly add vendors to your Zoho Books account without any confusion. If you find this video helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you are inside your Zoho Books dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This sidebar contains all the major sections of your accounting system, including sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. To add a vendor, you need to navigate to the Purchases section, so go ahead and click on Purchases in the left sidebar. After clicking Purchases, you will see several options related to buying and vendor management. From this list, click on Vendors. The Vendors section is where Zoho Books stores all the suppliers or businesses that you purchase goods or services from. Here you'll see a list of any vendors that already exist in your account. If this is a new account, the list may be empty. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled New. This button allows you to create a brand new vendor profile inside Zoho Books. Once you click New, a vendor creation form will open where you can enter the details for the supplier you want to add. Let's go through the important fields so you know exactly what to fill in. The first field is Primary Contact. This is the name of the person you usually communicate with at the vendor's company. For example, this could be a sales representative, account manager, or purchasing contact. Enter their name so you can easily remember who your main contact is when dealing with that vendor. Next is the company name field. Here you should enter the official business name of the vendor. This helps keep your records accurate and ensures your purchase orders and documents display the correct company name. After that, you'll see the vendor display name field. This determines how the vendor appears in your Zoho Books lists, reports, and transactions. Many businesses use the same name as the company name, but you can customize it if you want a shorter or more recognizable name for internal use. The next field is vendor email. Enter the vendor's email address here if you want to send purchase orders, documents, or notifications directly from Zoho Books. Adding the correct email here can save time later because you won't have to manually enter it every time you send a purchase order. Below that, you will see the currency option. This is important if you work with international suppliers. Select the currency that you use to pay this vendor. Zoho Books will use this currency when generating purchase orders and bills for that supplier. You may also see an option to add the source of supply. This is typically used for tax or compliance purposes, depending on your region. Make sure you select the appropriate source of supply if it applies to your vendor. Once the basic details are filled in, you can move to the Address section. To do this, click on the Address tab. Here you can enter the vendor's billing address and shipping address. These details are useful because they automatically appear on purchase orders and other documents you send to the vendor. Fill in the address information, such as street address, city, state, postal code, and country if available. Adding accurate address details helps keep your records organized and ensures your documents look professional. After entering all the required information, review the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click the Save button. As soon as you save, the vendor will be added to your Zoho Books account and will now appear in your vendor list. From this point forward, you can use this vendor when creating purchase orders, recording bills, tracking payments, and managing supplier transactions inside Zoho Books. And that's how you add a vendor in Zoho Books. As you can see, the process is very straightforward and only takes a few minutes once you know where to go. Properly adding vendors helps keep your accounting organized and makes managing your business purchases much easier. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting software guides, and step-by-step tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.